welcome to my room. Now, I'm Vanessa, and this is the place that makes me feel like home. Now, I'm from SoCal, and this is my roommate. We met in 5th grade, and we decided, you know what, we're both going to UC Berkeley, let's move in together. Now, this is my space. I really like it because it's a place that reminds me of home. You know, all these things in here, they mean something to me, right? So I have pictures of friends and family. I have notes from friends and family as well. And so, you know, if it's hard to fall asleep at night, sometimes I just read it and be like, all is okay, all is okay. This is my desk area. I always like keeping it super clean.
Hi, I'm Celeste. I'm also from Southern California, and this is my space. I have several political posters on my wall because that's something that I'm really passionate about. And then I also have just cute little things from home, notes and pictures, things that my mom painted for me, just to remind me of home and make it feel like it's more of a home space. This space is, we have like our little kitchen space, so this is the microwave and the fridge. And then I also have like personal things here. I have my little laundry basket and dishes here. So this is the closet space. There's a full-length mirror in each closet, so that's really helpful. You don't need to buy a full-length mirror.
I also brought a printer from back home that is really helpful because I don't have to go to any academic center, or if it's like late at night, I can print something. So what's really important for me and my roommate is that we really bring like fun spirit here onto the floor. So for every holiday, we've always been decorating, you know, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's. And then we always put, when we're done with the decorations, we always put them on inside because they're really sweet memories that we have together. And it's always just nice to have them for us.
We also have this Floor Mom sign that Vanessa made. And she made it because we're often referred to as the floor moms because a lot of people who live on the floor come to us for like life advice or just to talk or anything. And I think it's actually really comforting to know that because it shows that like the dorm life is a really great opportunity to make new friends and build a community, which can be hard for a lot of people when they're first starting college.
For me, living so close, like literally so close to people, has really gotten me to kind of get out of my shell a little bit. Because I might be here studying, but then I hear a bunch of noise from the hallway and I'm like, they have to be doing something exciting. Let me go check it out. And that's how I've gotten to know so many people, and it's really nice. So honestly, the best thing about this room is the amazing view that we have. Every night we get an absolutely beautiful sunset that I wouldn't trade for the world. Oh, Celeste has to go to class now. Bye, Celeste, have fun.
Have a good day.
All right, so this is our awesome hallway. This is our all-gender bathroom. What's really nice is there's a handful of lockers, so when you come, bring a lock, and there's a locker just for you, and you can keep all of your stuff in there. This is our lounge, pretty big, nice view too. Here we have our bulletin board, our RA keeps up info, and then also there's like information on clubs and organizations on campus. That's how I actually found out about like one of the organizations that I'm involved in. You can hear the music. We have this thing called quiet hours, so after 11 on weekdays and after 1 a.m. on weekends, we have to have quiet hours where it's, you know, pretty chill and there's not too much noise. All right, let's head downstairs and go outside. Now, I feel really safe here because in order to enter the building, you have to have a student ID. And then at night, we have our security monitor, and we have to check in after a certain time, and even if we bring in guests who are Cal students, we also have to check them in as well. We have a kitchenette right here, which is where I wash my dishes. It's a really nice space. Ice machine, refrigerator, microwave, oven, and little sink to wash dishes. Let's check out the lounge. Now, the lounge is a nice place to either chill, study, ping pong, pool, piano. You got everything here. Let me show you the other sights and sounds of Unit 3. So with Ida Sproul, there's 4 other buildings that are part of Unit 3. So you could be in any of these buildings or even across the street as well. Now let me take you downstairs with our mailing room, laundry, and a bunch of other stuff. Now we're first gonna go see the mail room. What's really nice is all of our letters get delivered here that you have to open with your key. Now what's really great is our room key is our mail key. So as long as you have your room key, you have access to your box. And then this is our laundry room. We have a set of washers and dryers. You can either pay by quarters or by charging up your ID card and just swiping. Pretty great. Now here is the academic center. Open certain hours during the week and the weekends. There's access to computers, printers, and also some academic help as well. Now in here is our all-purpose room, and sometimes they have events here, like I went to a silent disco here a couple months ago, ran by some of the RAs. A lot of people just use this as a space to study or just kind of relax too. In Unit 3, we have 2 pianos that you can use. So it's really nice. Maybe you're a pianist, maybe you're practicing for an audition, and piano for you to use. I like living on campus because I'm so close to so much action here. There's people, there's events, I'm close to restaurants too. It's a really nice variety of things to do. Now this is Bear Market, our little convenience store here at Unit 3. What's great is part of being a student here, I have a meal plan. So I get so many meals per week in the dining hall, but then I also get flex dollars, and I can use it to buy anything here in this store. This is Cafe 3, our dining hall, and it's really convenient being so close to the room. I can just, head down and just get a meal, get a quick bite to eat. Now this is Cafe 3. Thanks for visiting. That's Ida Sproul, Unit 3.